Across the United States, there's of course lots of people with Scottish heritage just like me, especially in North Carolina, where I live, and in Gaelic, we would call it Catalina Atua. And I'm happy to say that North Carolina is the US state with one of the highest, if not the highest, amount of people with Scottish descent, especially in the west part of the state in the Appalachian Mountains. We've got our own kind of Highland area here too. We've got a Scotland county, we've got a history with the Cape Fear Highlanders near the coast, and I'm even told that parts of Outlander take place in North Carolina. In fact, the largest Highland Games outside of Scotland takes place here in North Carolina up on Grandfather Mountain. And I've been to that Highland Games 2 times when I was younger, before I ever started to learn Gaelic, and I'm looking forward to going now in the future now that I have some Gaelic. Still, even in an area with lots of people with Scottish ancestry, Gaelic is still really hard to find. Just like if you go to Scotland today, depending on where you're at. But it's not over yet.